Okay, so now we'll go for check the race condition. So just now we said that is nothing but if two variables can change at a time, then we have a race condition, right? So if maybe one variable can change, is it race condition is possible or not, we will check it. Okay, so one by one. So if maybe changes the first value, maybe y2, or maybe changing the first value, maybe one y1, so or maybe two values can change. So what is the race condition? Okay, we need to check it in that. So the first one is nothing but here, that condition may possible as y1 may greater than, that means y1 may have greater delay when compared to y2. So that is nothing but, so just now we said, right, that is nothing but in present state and next state are connected through the some delay elements. Okay, so that delay element may be greater as compared to the y2. So what happened? Okay, so how to get the race condition, now we'll see that. Okay, so in that case there are two possibilities we are getting. Okay, so that two possibilities are nothing but from 0 0 it may goes to the next state like this. So y1 is greater compared to the y2 now. So if 0 0, then it may goes to the state 0 1 first of all. Okay, so that is nothing but I can change it here 0 0 to 0 1. That means I can change the first y2 value. Y2 is changes first. Okay, so then what happened? Okay, so now it reaches the 0 0 to 0 1 whenever the y2 value is changed. After some times what happened means, here 0 0 can changes to 0 1 means automatically when the input value can 0 to 1, so this 0 0 after some time can changes to 0 1. This will be acts as like a present state, right? Just observe here. So first stage 0 0 as our stable condition, right? So in the next stage, if y2 can changes first, okay, only one possibility changed here. So that means y2 can changed first. So automatically we are getting the state as 0 1, right? So after some time, what happened means directly this 0 0 state as converted to the 0 1 as the present state. Okay, in the first stage we are getting the 0 0 as present state, but after some time whatever the delay is represent here, so automatically 0 1 as present state, because here a feedback path we are having in this automatically. So in that 0 1 as present state, whenever the input can changes from 0 to 1, so what is the result we are getting in 0 1 state? That is also 1 1. Right, in first stage we are getting the 0 0 directly can changes to the 1 1, right? So here we'll have the race condition. Whenever the stable condition will be changes to the at a time two states, then we'll get the 1 1, in that we'll get the one race condition. That is the first possibility. And come to the next possibility, whenever the y2 value will be changes first, the input can change from 0 to 1. So 0 1 can be acts as like a present state. After some time it will be represent like 1 1. So then we'll get the 0 0 can changes to 0 1. This will be acts as, after some time it acts as like a present state. So then we'll get the input can changes from 0 to 1, then we'll get the output will be 1 1. Here also same thing now. So 0 0 can changes to 1, the input x value. So then we'll get the output will be 1 1. So this is the another possibility. Like this, if 0 0 can changes to 1 0, that is nothing but if may y1 value will be changes first. Okay, so y1 can changes first and y2 is as it is. Okay, I can change only one stable one state here. Here directly we knows if two states can change, the possibility will get 1 1. So if 1 1 will be changed, so then we'll get the possibility will be like this, and another possibility will be, so 0 0 can changes to 1 0. So 0 0 can changes to 1 0. That means directly you can move from the last step. So 0 0 to 1 0. So what happens? This 1 0 after some time can act as like a present state, right? So that means 0 0 can changes to y1 as can changed. So after some time this will be acts as like a present state, but this present state whenever the changed the input value from 0 to 1, this 1 0 of value will becomes 0 to 1 is nothing but value becomes 1 1. Okay, so that is nothing but here we'll get the value from 0 to 1 is 1 1 stage, and here 1 1 stage, and here we'll get the 1 1 stage. Okay, so that means whatever the state will be changed, it may be 2 steps or maybe 1 step, it will be changed the number, the input will be changed 0 to 1, automatically the state will be having the stable, that is nothing but like 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, so whether it is right or wrong we have to check it here. First stage, so 0 0 is changed to, whenever the input value will be changed to 0 1, this 0 0 can change to 1 1, that is the first thing clear. Now coming to the second stage, I can change it 0 0 to 0 1, so 0 0 to this 0 0 to I can change it to 0 1. So 0 1 is nothing but our input now, right? So 0 1, whenever the input can change it from 0 to 1, what is the output we are getting in that at one stage? 0 1 to 1 1. Okay, so after some time this 1 1 is nothing but, at 1 1 stage we are getting from 0 to 1 change, we are getting the stable condition, right? Is it possible 1 1 is in stable condition? No, right? So like this, in 0 0 state that will be changed to 1 1 means this 1 1 stage comes to the present state, after some time again we'll get the stable condition. Okay, in these two cases we are getting the stable condition, that is 1 1. Like this, coming to the last stage, we are changing y1 first, so that is nothing but 0 0 can changes to 1 0. Directly you can jump to the fourth step, so 1 0. So whenever the input value will be changed to 0 to 1 for the 1 0 case, so then we'll get the output is 1 1, right? So after some time this 1 1 will be acts as like a present state. Just consider, imagine this, after some time, after some delay, this 1 1 maybe acts like a present state value, then we'll get the again stable condition, while 0 changes to 1 for the x value, again we'll get the stable condition. No, so like this, in all the cases after some time this 1 1 will be get the stable condition 1 1, and this 1 1 will be acts as like a present state with stable condition 1 1. Sorry, here also. Okay, so next this 1 1 will be act after some time, some delay, so with this 1 1 will be acts like a present state, and then we'll get the stable condition as 1 1. So whatever the possibility you are having, okay, so that means, so here finally whatever may be the order you have, but the system will reach as the final stable state is 1 1. Okay, so then here we can consider as the non-critical race. If the order will be different, so just observe here, does not depends on the order, but in which the stable variable change. So we are having the state variable will be fixed. Okay, stability condition of the state variable we are getting whatever the order. Okay, so that is called as the non-critical race. So like this you can change, how to verify that means, first of all you can take the one state variable, stable variable, that is nothing but 0 0. So this 0 0 you can change from 0 to 1, you get the 1 1. Okay, so after getting the 1 1 stage, at which stage, at which state it is having the present state, so after some time in third stage it is having the present state, right? So this 1 1 will be after some time it acts as like a present state, then in this case the input will be changed from 0 to 1, will get the stable condition, that is the first thing. So 0 0 to 1 1, and this 1 1 will be acts like a present state 1 1, then we'll get the stable condition, that is encircle with 1 1. That is the first thing. Like this you can check it. And the coming to second thing, 0 0 can changes to 0 1. So whether the input is changed from 0 to 1, so automatically we are getting the input is 0 1, right? So this 0 1 sometimes it will be acts as like a present state, so whenever the input is changes to 1, so we'll get the output is 1 1 here. So now we will check it, this 1 1 after some time may be stable or not. So now check it, this 1 1 after some time will be acts like a present state, like this present state, and it is in stable whenever the input will be changes from 0 to 1. Okay, so now the third case, so if 0 0 can changes to 1 0, that means y1 only changed first, so whenever the input is changed from 0 to 1, it will be acts like a present state, so then we'll get the output is 1 1. So after some delay element, this 1 1 will be acts like a present state, then we'll get the stable condition. So that means in all the cases we are getting the stable condition that will be equal. So in that case there is no critical race, we are getting the non-critical race here. Okay, what is meant by non-critical race? So here finally whatever may be the order, but the system will reach as the final stable state, that is 1 1. So then we can consider as the non-critical race. So final race conditions is nothing but 0 0 to 0 1, that will be stable at 1 1 stage. Next 0 0 to 1 0, at 1 0 case also we are getting the stable condition is 1 1 1. So next the at a time we are changing the 2 bits, then we will get the stable condition is like this: 0 0 to 1 1, 1 1 to 1 1 present state to stable condition. So these are the non-critical races. Okay, so non-critical race is nothing but it doesn't depends upon the order, but it is having the stable state. Having the same stable state, we are getting whatever the order we are having, in that all case we are getting the stable states. Okay, so this is called as the non-critical race. Whatever the transition table you are having, just check this just check the race condition like this way. Okay, so just first whatever the transition table you are having, finding the first stability, that means round up the circles, that means stable conditions verified. After that you can check the all these possibilities. This is non-critical race. So now come to the critical race. So that is nothing but the same thing will be repeated in that, but here it will be depends. Critical race is nothing but depends on the order. Okay, so now we'll see that critical race condition also. Okay, so now we'll go for the next state, that is nothing but critical race. So what is the definition for critical race? Means if the final stable state that the circuit reaches depends on the order in which the state variable changes. So it will be depends on the order. So non-critical race is nothing but whatever the order we have, but it will be considered as like a stable condition will be there, right? So but in that critical race is nothing but here the order will be must and should, that means it will be whatever the state we are having, that will be depends on order also here. Okay, we need to consider the stable states and also find out the critical race here. Okay, so for example, if we are considering one example here, so if the order may be, the transition table of order may be like this. So y1 y2, and here I am considering x. So the input possibilities for the input of x is 0 1, because it has only single input, and here 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, so now I can assume the possibilities in transition table is like this: 0 0 1 1, like 0 0 like 0 1 1 0, and like 1 1, and 0 0 like 1 0. Okay, so just imagine the transition table may be like this. Now in that we can find out the critical race here. Okay, so we knows the definition of critical race, right? So based on that we have to find out the race conditions. So first of all, whatever the transition table we are having and whatever that procedure will be there, so first we need to find out the stability condition in that. Okay, so stability is nothing but we have formula for that, that is capital next state is equals to small present state. So that means we need to round up the circles whether the stable or not. So if the present state will be equal to next state, then it will be a stable. So here 0 0 1 1, it is unstable, and 0 1 0 1, so it is stable, and here there is no possibility, or here will have the possibility of stable, and here 1 0 1 0. Okay, this is also one of the stable state. So that means each row consists of one stable condition here. Okay, so after finding the stability, next we'll go for the race condition. That means we need to go for check the race condition. So here So that means we need to check the race condition, means first of all we need to check out the adjacent cells. Okay, so whether the adjacent cells, the input can change from 0 to 1. If 2 bits are changed at a time, here the possibility, that means race possibility will there, right? So that is nothing but adjacent for a input change. If it is a 2 variable change, means here race condition is exist, right? Just now I explained, if the variable is changed, like 2 variables changed at a time, so automatically we have a race condition. So just observe here in the first cell 0 0, here we'll have the 1 1. So that is nothing but 0 0 to 1 1 means 2 variables here changed, right? So here the first variable is changed and the second variable is also changed. That means 2 variables will be changed at a time. Here the race condition is exist. Okay, so which race condition we are having in that, we need to check it. Okay, so first of all, so here the first stable state is 0 0. So for the input change from 0 to 1, what is the state we are getting in that? If the input is changed from 0 to 1, that is nothing but 1 1 state. Okay, so if 0 0 stable state can change from the input 0 to 1, then we'll get the state as 1 1, right? So the same procedure is applicable, whatever the procedure we are having in non-critical race, the same procedure here applicable for here also. Okay na? So 0 0 for input change from 0 to 1, we'll get the output is 1. So for 1, what is the output? 1 1 1. So now after some delay time, after some time, so then delay will be occurred in that. So from transition 0 to 1, after some time the delay will be occurred here. Then this 1 1 will be jumped to the third stage. So then we'll get the, this 1 1 will be acts as like a present state after some time here. So this present state will be takes the transition from input 0 to 1, then we'll get the stable state as again 1 1. Is it right? So in the first case 0 0 will be acts like a present normal stable state. So whenever the change input variable is changed from 0 to 1, we'll get the output is 1 1, right? So that's clear. Now after some time, this whatever the 1 1 we are having in third stage, that will be acts like a present state, right? We need to make it as stable, means that compulsory 1 1 will be acts like a present state. So whenever that 1 1 stage, it will be changed from 0 to 1, we'll get the possibility will be stability condition, that is 1 1. Okay, so this one is clear. So the next possibility we need to check it. This is here, what is the possibility? 2 states will be changed at a time. That means y1 y2 will be changes at a time. Okay, so now come to the, if only the y1 will be changed. Okay, so first we will go for the next step, that is nothing but for example we are taking the first condition is y2 is changes first. So then we'll get here y1 is this one and y2 is this one, right? So then I can change to y2 as first. Okay, so then automatically this 0 0 will be changes to 0 1. So y1 is as it is and y2 I can change here, that is 1. So now we'll go for the 0 1 state for the secondary variable of row. So that is nothing but 0 1 state is this one. So this 0 1 state, whenever the input can change from 0 to 1, so what is the stable condition we are getting here? 0 1. Okay, so that is nothing but this 0 1. So after some time it acts as like a present state. So then we'll get the input can change from 0 to 1. So then we'll get the stability condition is 0 1. Okay, so again this 0 1 maybe after some time will be acts like a present state. So then 0 1 changes to again we'll get the 0 1 stable condition. That means here there is no changing. So now come to the another possibility, if y1 is changes first. Okay, so that is nothing but 0 0. In that case y1 I can change it here 1 and y2 is as it is. So that is nothing but directly this 0 0 state can jump to the 1 0 state, right? So 1 0 we are getting. So this 1 0 state, whenever the input value x value can change from 0 to 1, so which state as stable state here? Whenever the 0 value x value will be changed to 0 1, we'll get the stable condition as again 1 0 case. Okay, after some delay this 1 0 will be acts as like a present state. So in that case the input will be changed from 0 to 1. So then we'll get the output becomes 1 0. So just observe here, again 1 0 after some delay 1 0 will be again acts like a present state, means we'll get the same result, right? So that is nothing but in two states changes we are getting the stable state as 1 1, and y2 changes first means only one state will be changed here, we'll get the stable state is 0 1, and y1 changes here means 1 0 will be stable state. So that means here the stable state is not same. Okay, so that means we are getting whatever we are getting the stable state from this stage, so that is nothing but all will be different values we are getting here, right? So here in this system we are having critical race because the correct order is 0 0, it reaches to the 1 1. Okay, 1 1 state, due to some delay it will end up with the wrong stage. Just observe here, 0 0 it will end up with the first stage is 1 1. So but this 1 1 is comes to here present state, directly will get the stable state is 1 1. So here 0 0 to 1 1, 1 1 is acts as after some time present state, then we'll get again 1 1 only, right? Like this 0 0 first stage we are getting the 1 1. So this 1 1 after some time we are getting the again present state, it will be changes to again stable state as 1 1. So this is the correct race we are getting, right? So come to the next stage. So 0 0 acts like a 0 1, after some delay it will acts like 0 1, right? So that is nothing but it will end up with the wrong state, wrong stable state. As compared to first stable state it will end up with the wrong stable state. That's why here we are getting the critical race. Just observe the non-critical race. All the stages, the first stage will be end up with the 1 1 stage of stable state, and in the second stage 0 1 will be 1 1, and 1 1 will be end up with again 1 1, like that. 1 0 0 0 to 1 0, 1 0 to 1 1, 1 1 to 1 1. So that means all stages end up with their right stable state, right? That is non-critical race. Okay, so critical race is nothing but here it will end up with the wrong stable state. Okay, so what is the critical race means? If the order is not correct, if the order is not correct, it will end up with a wrong final stable state. That is called as the critical race. Okay, so this is critical race. So non-critical is nothing but the stable state, whatever that order is there, in that stable state will be there, that will be having same value, that is having the non-critical race. So here whatever the order may be there in that, but the race having the different stable state, that means it each state end up with the wrong stable state. That is called as the critical race. Clear? So this is the complete explanation about the race conditions in asynchronous sequential circuit. So just like this, whatever the procedure we are following here, the same procedure is applicable to the both race conditions. Okay.